Big data analysis was mentioned before. Could you explain how Extrusion Intelligence handles such analysis to monitor process parameter changes?
Extrusion Intelligence analyzes the variance between the theoretical parameters and the real ones, combining it with other data like production, quality scrap, or productivity. This scatter plot provides a visual representation of the variance between theoretical extrusion speed and the real one, weighing it by the production quantity. The worst-case scenario is represented by a product on the top right of the quadrant, meaning a product both with a relevant variance in terms of speed and a big quantity in terms of production. Visualizing such discrepancies and sending out alerts helps to pinpoint process inefficiencies and highlight areas for improvement.